I'm CJ. Hi. And I'm 12.
What are you doing?
And I'm going to be welding
Welding.
a wheel.
Really? All right,
I'm gonna
so
be.
tell us how to weld.
So, got
What
a
exactly
weld.
are you doing on that piece?
So, you have to get your welding tool. And, yeah, your wand.
Okay.
And this clip, so that when you get the welding tool on, or the wand on here, then, first thing you need to do when you're welding, you've got to get all your safety gear. Since my dad doesn't have safety gear, he's gonna have to close his eyes.
Okay, tell me when.
Okay. I'm getting ready to weld.
Okay, not looking.
Alright, I'm done. Now I'm gonna do the next one. Getting ready to weld.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, let's check out what you got. It's not bad.
There and there.
It's not great. This one's good. It's got some good penetration. That
Yeah.
one you kind of went on the. You're only on this side of the metal.
Okay, so we gotta do this one again.
Yep.
Get both metals.
Alright, go. Let's do it. I'm gonna do a zoomed in shot.
Okay, I'm getting ready to weld.
Okay.
Okay, I'm getting ready to weld.
Okay.
Okay, I'm done.
Sounded good.
Got a little big
Not bad.
piece.
That'll work. That will work, CJ. Good job, CJ, building this
Yay!
this gate. Look at those beautiful welds.
So, like and subscribe and hit the notification bell and send them to all your friends.
Send it to your friends. Thank you, CJ.
Okay, bye.